Kirk, this is a proclamation, Office of the Mayor of Morristown, Tennessee. Whereas Kirk Wolf from Morristown West High School recently competed in the National Forensic League National Tournament in Birmingham, Alabama, where he placed 5th nationally in public forum debate, received by the Debate School of Excellence Award. And whereas Kirk now has the distinction of being a member of the highest placed public forum debate team in Tennessee history, and whereas Kirk's effort earned Morristown West High School the Outstanding School Achievement Award, and whereas Kirk received a scholarship of $1,500 and is now considered a Rube Scholar, and whereas Kirk is a rising senior at Morristown West, and whereas Kirk was recently asked personally by Congressman the Honorable Dr. Phil Rowe to address Austin Peay State University on his behalf in April 2013, as Dr. Rowe was inducted into the Alumni Hall of Fame. And whereas Kirk recently attended the highly selective United States Naval Academy Summer Seminar, was selected to attend West Point's Summer Leaders Experience, and was a 2013 Boys State Delegate. That's good. Now therefore, I, Mayor Danny Thomas, on behalf of the Morristown City Council, do hereby congratulate Kirk Wolf on his many accomplishments and wish him continued success in the future. And that's good, stick-to-it, this East Tennessee young man. I appreciate what you did, Kirk.
Thank you.
Anything you'd like to say?
I'll try to keep it brief. I just want to thank Ms. Terry personally for giving us these opportunities. I wouldn't be able to get in front of you now if it weren't for Ms. Terry. I'd be scared to death. I wouldn't have half the opportunities I do now to go to colleges. I'm sure Tanner can say the same. I'd also like to thank my family, my grandmother, Diane Harden, for watching after my brother and sister whenever my mom comes to tournaments with me and always supporting me. I'd like to thank my mother for coming with me to tournaments and making a lot of the tournaments that we go to possible. And I'd like to thank the City Council for being so gracious and honoring us here. It really means a lot, so thank you very much.